Hello my friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rick, and today the good people from Evolution sent me over this saw to take a look and test out, and I said I would be happy to do it. This is their heavy duty 7¼ inch circular saw that's made for cutting metal. Comes with a 15 amp motor that operates at about 3,700 RPMs. It comes with a 40 tooth carbide blade for cutting mild steel. There's other blades out there that you can purchase separately to cut stainless steel and aluminum. Comes with a 10-foot power cord, that's awesome. And overall they offer a 3-year warranty on it. The price of this is going for about 150 bucks as of today. I checked Amazon, 150 bucks for the saw. You can also buy extra blades for mild steel. It's running about 32 bucks. And the whole advantage of using a saw like this to cut metal is it's not going to produce a lot of sparks. It's not going to produce a lot of heat, and burr free at the end of your cut. The other one that I like the most is it doesn't generate a lot of dust, and it doesn't generate a lot of stink in the shop. So with that said, let's take some time and see how this thing cuts mild steel. Wow. Beautiful. Look at that. Unbelievable. Sometimes you just can't bring the work to the tool, you got to bring the tool to the work. And that's why I love this circular saw. Here's a metal pergola that we've had for 20 years, and it's all rusted on the top, so I got to take the top down. Probably not the best way, but boy, I took it and cut through that stuff like butter. Now I could just cut this up on the ground here. Well, my friends, boy, that was a lot of fun. After all that cutting, I strongly recommend this saw. It makes beautiful, clean cuts. There's no heat, no burrs, no dust, no stink. So I think it's a great saw, and I highly recommend it, as I do most of the Evolution tools that have and purchased myself or have reviewed. So I think it's a great company doing some great things. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you want to support the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I sure hope you and your family stay safe and healthy during this time, and look forward to seeing you all back here again when I post another video. All right, guys, take care. Bye.